use the quick menu Switch Dock Ship while at a space station. Get to any space station. Open the quick menu, go to Summon Vehicles Switch Dock Ship and select the Corvette. This commonly forces it to spawn on the station landing pad. If you're stuck on the freighter, try the quick menu there. While on your freighter or in the freighter docking ship area, open the quick menu the same way and try Switch Dock Ship Summon Vehicles Other Ship. Players have successfully summoned a missing Corvette from inside a freighter using the quick menu. If the Corvette shows no Corvette docked, summon your freighter to another system. From a planet, use the quick menu to summon the freighter. Then check the freighter docking bay teleporter. The missing Corvette sometimes reappears after the freighter relocates. If your freighter can't warp to that star color, move to a yellow system first. Swap to a different ship and then switch back. Summon any other owned ship, fly to a space station, then use Switch Dock Ship to call the Corvette. Several players have fixed a missing undisplayable ship by switching ships and then switching back from a station. Save, exit, reload. Make a manual save, quit to desktop, then reload that save. Community reports often show a manual save plus reload restores ship control after a crash or black screen. If none of the above works, check whether the Corvette appears in your ship collection and rebuild claim. If the Corvette is still listed in your collection but permanently glitched, some players rebuilt claimed a new version of the ship to resolve the bug. Back up your save before any risky action. On PC, make a copy of your save folder, %appdata %hellogames NMS, then copy the ST folder corresponding to your profile to some safe place. That way you can restore if something goes wrong. Report to Hello Games and attach your save. If the bug persists, submit a bug ticket to Hello Games and attach your save files, platform, exact system coordinates, expedition name phase, and a short clip or screenshots of the problem. Hello Games have a dedicated bug report form and may request your save files to investigate. Quick troubleshooting tips warnings. Don't uninstall, reinstall, or overwrite saves before you've backed them up. If you see the ship icon but no ship image in the toolbar, the quick menu Switch Dock Ship trick or switching to another ship usually fixes that UI phantom icon problem. If you can get out of the freighter and reach a station even briefly, that usually gives you the best chance to force a proper spawn.